Equipment. Base layer, got that. Rain pants, I'm wearing the same rain pants that I wore last time. Long pants, I'm gonna use the zip-on shorts, hiking shorts, 2 pairs. Underwear, shirt, wool sweater or fleece. A rain jacket, I do, it's fluorescent orange. A top layer, short sleeve, moisture wicking shirt. Long sleeve, moisture wicking shirt. Sports bra, I have that. Wait. It's amazing what you'll do when you're reading something.
In other news, I love lamp. What is it? Whoa, there you go.
Wool or fleece hat, glove liners or mittens. I don't remember using anything like that at Philmont last time. I trust you, Tooth of Time Traders, baseball cap or wide brim hat. I've got a... Nope. Nope, not this one either. I think this one's good. It's gonna reflect a lot of light. A backpack, a pack cover, yeah. Lashing straps, I've got some of those. Day pack, yeah, I've got my fluorescent orange day pack. 6 to 12 gallon Ziploc bags. Ditty bags, Mr. Boylan made an order to this specialty fabric supplier. Everybody's going to get a different pattern of fabric. Sleeping bag, a waterproof stuff sack, a sleeping pad. I love my sleeping pad. It is super nice. It's also fluorescent orange. Fluorescent orange. Sleep clothes, I will be wearing only in my sleeping bag. Boots, I'm going to try to wear trail runners as much as I can. Socks, many pairs of socks. A bowl, mug, spoon, water bottles, pocket knife, matches, headlamp, trekking poles, sectional maps, lip balm, compass, bandana, money, biodegradable soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, quick dry towel, tampons, don't need those. Watch, camera, whistle, postcards, foot powder, definitely bringing that. Sunglasses, tent stakes, water containers, backpacking stove, fuel bottle, multi-tool, first aid kit, duct tape, spices, ground cloth, sunscreen, insect repellent, water purifier, trowel, carabiner, dining fly, tent, cooking pot, dishwashing pot, large spoon, tongs, plastic trash bags, dishwashing soap, hand sanitizer, rubbing pads, water purifier tablets, bear rope, bear bags, a food strainer and scraper, and that ought to do it.